Okay, this next video I'm going to show you how to trim the sermon audio file. We've imported it, we've mixed all of our tracks down to mono, and we've done our amplification. There's a couple of steps to this. The first thing is before we, the first thing is we want to chop out the obvious. Okay, this obviously here at the end is the final song. Okay, I can just tell you that by experience. So what I do is, to make it simple, is I just pick a spot that I know is just at the start of the song, and I hold down my left click button there, highlight that section, and hit delete. Okay, and chop that out. Now I actually had already done that back over here at the first. Okay, so now we've got the bulk, we've got the front end and the back end chopped off. Now the next thing I do is I blow up and make this much larger so we can see in a lot more detail these waves. And there's two ways to do that. You can either go to View, Zoom In right here. You'll notice it says Control 1. The simpler way is actually to hold down the control button and just hit 1 several times and blow this up. Okay. So I'm going to go down here to the bottom. I'm going to pull my slider back to the left and get back to the beginning. Now I'm pretty sure here that this whole section is still mic all the way up to right here. So I'm going to check. I'm going to click right here once. I'm going to hit play and listen to see where we're at. Okay, yeah, I was right. So I'm going to put my click about right here. I'm going to make sure that I'm not cutting into Matt coming on stage. Okay, and I can actually go a little bit closer. I can go about right there. Okay, so that's where we want to be. Okay, so we're going to cut this part out too. Now that we've got it a lot bigger, we can cut it out much more precisely. So we're going to go ahead and highlight that and delete that. Now we've got the front end of our sermon file chopped. Now we're going to go all the way over here to the end. Same thing, I can tell you again right here that this is the transition into the last song. Go ahead and put it right there and listen. Okay, the piano has already started. So now I'm going to actually click a little bit farther back right here. Okay, and it was just a click too far because Matt just said amen when I started it. So I'm going to move that, do it again. And that's perfect. Okay, so we're going to chop that out. It's gone. Okay, so now we've got the sermon audio file trimmed up.